Reload!
We'll only open when it fires.
I know that. What do you think I'm trying to do?
I'll trigger it on my signal. Be ready. Oh, shit!
They were close friends, alongside my father. You've been fighting the Harkonnens for decades. My family's been fighting them for centuries. I know everything about them, their habits, their ways of thinking. You know everything about the desert. You harness the very power of it. We can stop them together, bury them in the sand where they belong, so that this planet can be yours once more.